Welcome to English Chats Daily.
Your daily partner for easy English conversations.
Picture this. You want to invite someone to coffee, but you freeze up because you don't know the right English words. Or maybe someone invites you somewhere and you accidentally say something rude. Sound familiar?
Today we're going to solve this problem completely. I'm your host at English Chats Daily, and you're about to watch Eva and George have a natural conversation about making and accepting invitations in English.
By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to invite people politely and how to respond like a native speaker. We'll cover the most common invitation phrases, proper responses, and even what to do when you need to say no nicely.
Let's jump right into their conversation and learn together.
Eva sits at her desk, looking at her calendar. George walks into the office break room. Good morning, George. How was the weekend?
It was great, thanks, Eva. I went hiking with some friends. What about you?
I stayed home and watched movies. Actually, I'm thinking about going to that new Italian restaurant tonight. Would you like to join me?
That sounds wonderful. What time were you thinking?
How about 7 o'clock? The restaurant is downtown near the park.
Perfect. I'd love to come. Should we meet there, or would you like me to pick you up?
Let's meet there. It's easier for both of us. I'll make a reservation for 2 people.
Great idea. I'm really looking forward to it. Thank you for inviting me.
You're welcome. It'll be fun to try their pasta together.
Notice how Eva made the invitation. She said, "Would you like to join me?" This is polite and gives George a choice. She didn't demand or assume he would come.
George accepted by saying, "I'd love to come." This shows enthusiasm without being too casual or too formal.
The conversation continues the next day. "Good morning, Eva. Dinner was delicious last night. Thank you again."
I'm so glad you enjoyed it. The food was amazing. Hey, are you free this Saturday afternoon?
Let me check my calendar. Yes, I think so. What did you have in mind?
There's a book festival in the city center. Would you be interested in going with me?
Book festival sounds interesting. What time does it start?
It starts at noon and goes until 6 in the evening. We could grab lunch there too.
That sounds like a perfect Saturday plan. Count me in.
Wonderful. I'll pick you up around 11:30. That way we won't miss anything.
Eva used, "Would you be interested in going with me?" This is an excellent way to make invitations. It's friendly and not pushy.
George said, "Count me in." This is a casual but positive way to accept an invitation. It shows he's excited about the plan.
Later that week, George has an idea. "Eva, do you have any plans for Sunday morning?"
Not really. I usually just relax and read the newspaper. Why do you ask?
"I'm planning to visit the art museum. They have a new photography exhibition. Care to join me?"
I'd really like to, but I promised my sister I'd help her move apartments on Sunday.
"Oh, no problem at all. Maybe another time."
Definitely. How about next Sunday instead? I should be free then.
"That works perfectly for me. Let's plan on next Sunday morning."
Great. I'll call you Saturday evening to confirm the time.
This part shows us something important. Eva wanted to accept the invitation, but she had other plans. She said, "I'd really like to, but..." This is polite because it shows interest before explaining why she can't come.
George responded well by saying, "Oh, no problem at all." He didn't get upset or pushy. Instead, he suggested another time.
The conversation moves to Friday afternoon.
George, my cousin is having a barbecue party tomorrow evening. Would you like to come along?
That's very kind of you to invite me. Will I know anyone else there?
You'll know me, of course. And my cousin is very friendly. She loves meeting new people.
It sounds nice, but I'm not really comfortable at parties where I don't know many people.
I completely understand. No worries at all. Maybe we can do something smaller next weekend.
Actually, wait. If you'll be there, I think I can handle it. What time should I arrive?
Really? That's great. The party starts at 6, but you can come any time after that.
Perfect. Should I bring anything? Food or drinks maybe?
Just bring yourself. My cousin has everything covered, but thank you for offering.
Here we see George initially declining the invitation politely. He said, "It sounds nice, but..." and gave his honest reason. This is much better than making up fake excuses.
Eva responded with understanding instead of pressure. She said, "I completely understand. This made George feel comfortable enough to change his mind.
The final part of their conversation happens on Monday morning.
How was the barbecue party, George?
It was actually really fun. Your cousin is wonderful and I met some interesting people.
I'm so happy you decided to come. Everyone really liked you too.
Thanks for encouraging me to go. Sometimes I need a little push to try new things.
Anytime. Actually, speaking of trying new things, do you want to take a cooking class with me next month?
A cooking class? What kind of cooking?
Italian cuisine. The same restaurant we went to last week offers classes on weekends.
That sounds challenging but fun. When do the classes start?
The first class is next Saturday morning at 10 o'clock. It's a 4-week program.
I'm definitely interested. How much does it cost?
It's $50 for the entire program. We learn 4 different dishes, one each week.
That's reasonable. Let's do it. Should I register myself or will you handle both of us?
I'll take care of the registration today. This is going to be so much fun.
Now let's practice together. I'll give you some common situations and you can practice the phrases we just learned.
Situation 1. Invite someone to see a movie tonight.
Try saying, "Would you like to see a movie with me tonight?"
Situation 2. Accept an invitation to lunch tomorrow.
Try saying, "I'd love to join you for lunch tomorrow."
Situation 3. Politely decline a dinner invitation because you're busy.
Try saying, "That sounds wonderful, but I already have plans tonight."
Situation 4. Suggest an alternative time when declining.
Try saying, "I can't make it tonight, but how about tomorrow instead?"
Remember these key points. Always be polite when inviting someone. Give people a choice, don't pressure them. When accepting, show enthusiasm. When declining, be honest but kind. Always suggest alternatives when possible.
Practice these phrases with friends or family. The more you use them, the more natural they'll become.
Subscribe for more English conversations like this one, and let me know in the comments which invitation phrases you found most helpful today.